got Hook Set Hawk over here. He's just rigging him up some baits.
Don't be showing them my baits.
Well.
They'll be going on the lake and catching fish.
Yeah, maybe.
No, ain't no maybe about that.
So, by the way, the posts were in the box. I don't know. Hey, Dakota Lithium, I'd probably put like a little caution thing on top. It says the posts are in the box. Because idiots like me couldn't find it. So, I can see where you, like, if you threw it all out, then you'd kind of be screwed like a declawed house cat. So,
yeah,
anyway,
I took them covers off of it, and it's like, well, hey, there you go. You got to thread the post on.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, but I mean, they were in that little plastic bag. I get why they did it, because they didn't want them to bounce around and, spark off or something.
Right.
And they sent it to you at only 10% power. So it's only 10% charged. So I got it on the charger. And hopefully tomorrow we'll get her installed.
Yes, I'm ready to hit the lake.
Alright, we got us an unboxing. This is my new Dakota Lithium battery for my trolling motor. It's a 36 volt lithium trolling motor battery. So let me get a knife to get this open. Okay, we got our owner's kit. Let's see what's in there. Shipping. $1,400 for that dude. And then I guess we'll open this right here. I guess you thread your bolts into there. Looks like there's some handles to pull it out with. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this pig out of here. I mean, it does weigh on it a lot. Oh, yeah. With your legs. Oh. All right. Well, I see all that. All right, looks like we got a kit. Maybe that's our charger. Yeah, so it's our charger. Looks like they give you an extra little fuse. Okay, where's the post? Maybe they're taped on the side or something? Let's see, here's the post. Oh no, they don't have posts. And here's the charger. Alright guys, I don't know. Should have come with some posts, but anyway, 36 volt, 63 amp hour, Dakota Lithium, LiPo 4 battery. So that's for my trolling motor and my Champion.